Hi guys. Welcome to my Google Ads hack review and bonus video. During this video I'm going to give you a full demo of how it works and exactly what it does. Now, in a nutshell, Google Ads hack is a detailed video training course that will teach anyone how to optimize Google Ads up to 99%, which definitely increases chances of making sales each time you run a campaign with no risks involved. So if this sounds like something that you are interested in, then stick with me during this video and you will see how easy this is to use. I've also put together a couple of awesome bonuses for those of you who would like to pick this up via my link, which is down below in the description of this YouTube video. So now I will let the product owner Daniel give you a full demo of how Google Ads hack works.
Hi guys, what's going on? Thank you for checking out the review and demo of Google Ads hack. Okay, so in this video I'm actually going to be revealing to you and reviewing the Google Ads hack to you. As you can see, there is the dashboard. I'm actually going to explain to you everything you need to know about Google Ads hack. Okay, but before we do that, let me quickly show you something real quick. Okay, here is my Google Ads dashboard, and this is where I run my campaigns. As you can see on the left side, you can see Google Ads hack. Okay, I launched this product before. I launched this product already, but I actually make sales from the other account where I launched the product. Okay, so as you can see, I got over 517 clicks right here, and I got 2,312 impressions, 0.30 average cost per click. Okay, and I spent just 25.79 euros. Okay, this is approximately between $30. Okay, just $30, and this is actually the result I got from it. Okay, I made over $724. that is approximately 623 euros, approximately 4,409 Ghana cedis. Okay, so this is a dashboard called a seller. They allow me to sell products, okay, more like Warrior Plus. Okay, so I've actually made this amount just from running this campaign, which is just 30 up to just $30, and it's actually crazy and powerful. So so this actually works, and so that's why I just want to guys you to understand that running ads on Google can actually be easy if you can follow my tweak and my hacks. Okay, so in summary, what exactly is Google Ads hack? Okay, Google Ads hack is more like an info product that you are seeing right now, that actually gonna show you step by step how you can optimize your ads campaign to over 99% every single time you run an ad. Okay, each time you run an ad, these ads are gonna skyrocket and get as much clicks as it ought to be. Okay, much impressions and high conversion rates. Okay, that is exactly what the Google Ads is all about. Okay, it's actually going to teach you a tweak and a method I apply inside every of my products. Okay, whenever I'm running a product on Google Ads hack, there are some tweaks and hacks I use inside, which is totally legit and actually makes me money. Okay, so you don't have to worry about getting suspended. You don't have to worry about contradicting the Google Ads policies at all. It has nothing to do with that. Okay, it's actually very easy to work with, and every newbie can make money with this. And the best part of this is that you don't need quite much of money to start off with. All you need is just $10. Okay, $10, and you can get started and you can start making insane money with this conversion rate. Okay, now listen to this. This is unlike any kind of product you've seen before. Okay, this is unlike any kind of Google Ads hack you've seen before. Okay, there is a specific tweak and hack I use inside that a lot of people don't even know about. They actually don't know that this method actually exists. Okay, and I do that inside this my campaign, and every time I do that, I actually make sales. Okay, this is just a demo I run, a case study I run, just to show you guys how this actually works. Okay, so typically that's what Google Ads is all about. And if you know you are still struggling making money with Google Ads hack, and you have spent a lot of money, you have wasted a lot of money, then this is the best product for you. This is the best strategy for you, as long as you won't be spending that much. Okay, because all you need is just $10 and you are good to go. So real quick, let me just give you a run through of exactly what you should expect inside the Google Ads hack. Okay, So here is the welcome video. You can feel free to check this when you get access to this, and you can join my Facebook group, and you can also get access to free traffic sources and reviews, free traffic software, and also my secret to 10k a month. Okay, so now the first thing you're actually gonna learn is a bonus product here, which is a guaranteed 1k in 30 days strategy. Okay, plus how you could get $50 Google Ads credit for free. Not only that, okay, now also you also get an updated $30 for free addition to the other $50 you have, which you actually don't have to spend anything to get them. It's actually free of charge. Okay, now the module 1 of the training is to register for affiliate networks, which is very compulsory. Okay, for every newbie who don't have any affiliate network registered with, then you need to register with an affiliate network. I'm going to show you the best one to register with. Then the next thing is to actually teach you how you could create a perfect Google Ads account. Okay, an ads account that want to be suspended or have any issues with Google Ads at all. Okay, that is the next thing. Okay, and module 3, you're actually gonna learn how you can search for a good product. Okay, actually gonna be, this is just part 1. Then in the second part, you're actually gonna be searching for another good product to promote. And in module 5, I'm actually going to teach you how you could create landing pages absolutely free of charge. You don't actually have to spend anything to create these landing pages. Okay, actually free to create. Okay, and also module 6 is actually going to show you how you can create another kind of landing page. Okay, I have up to 3 kinds of landing pages right here. Okay, you're actually going to be learning how to create this kind of 3 landing pages, which you can actually choose from. It's actually your choice to pick any one of these. Okay, then module 7 is actually going to be creating another landing page, which is a bridge page. Okay, then module 8 is actually going to be creating another kind of landing page, which is a review page. Okay, out of these 4 kinds of landing page, you have to choose which one will actually work for you. But inside the training, I actually give you the best kind of landing page to use that converts really well for me. Then module 9 is actually going to be the Google Ads hack, the first kind of hack I use in every search ads. Okay, every search ads I make, there is a tweak and hack I actually use every single time. Okay, so you're actually going to be learning that in this first video. Then the next one is actually going to be the video ads, the tweak I use inside every video ads I make to skyrocket and get insane conversion rates. Okay, then the module 11 is actually gonna be the Google Ads Hack 2. That is the display ads hack. What I do inside every display ads that gets me converted and make sales insane. Okay, every single time. So that's actually everything inside this. Okay, that's actually the demo of all you should expect inside inside the Google Ads Hack. Okay, so I'm quite busy right now, so it's more like. So guys, so let's not dwell on that. So that's actually all the demo you need to know about Google Ads Hack. So if you decide to pick this up, this is actually a game changer for you. Okay, so real quick, let me just give you the upgrades about it. Okay, upgrade 1 is actually going to be the 5 super done for you campaigns. Okay, which means that you don't have to look for products to promote. You don't have to create landing page. Everything is done for you. I'm actually going to give you 5 super done for you campaigns, which you can just copy and paste it into your Google Ads. The keywords are already there. You just copy and paste the keywords, the description to use, the description, the headlines to use. Everything is already done for you. All you have to do is just copy and paste it into your Google Ads and you make sales. Okay, that is just the first upgrade, and this is actually $37. Then the other one is actually going to be the Ads Hack Academy, where you can get access to me. I'm actually going to teach you step by step all the tweak and hacks I know about running ads on Facebook, on Google, on Bing. You're actually going to enroll in this course, in this academy, and I'm going to teach you step by step how I discover these hacks and how I make use of them in every ads I run all over the internet. Okay, then the last one is actually going to be Launch With Me, where you can get access to me and we can launch a product together. Okay, you and I can launch a product together and you can get sales drastically. Okay, that is all about this. I hope you guys take action and make insane sales with this if you decide to pick this up. Okay, this is actually a game changer for you, and you will never regret checking out the Google Ads hack. Okay, so do have a nice day and stay blessed.
Thanks for watching my Google Ads hack review and demo video. Click the link in the description below to make your purchase and receive my awesome bonuses.